Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix YouTube video buffering or stuttering issues. So to fix that, you can, if we go to our web browser, let me show you the problem. So if we go to YouTube, like as you can see, it is buffering, it is not loading. Or if we just head over to any video and start playing, it will continue the buffer like that. So there are some ways we can fix the problem, or there might be some other problem too. So these problems are caused by some issues. Like let's head over to this video. So as you can see, I have already clicked on the video, but it's just taking too much time to load or is buffering. So if this is the problem that we possibly face, so there might be some issues for that we are facing this. So the first one is a poor internet connection, and the second one is your outdated video player. So your video player or your browser may get outdated if you don't update it regularly. So first one, you have to check your internet connection properly, and second one is please make sure you update your video player. Third one is videos might have high resolution, and the fourth one is too much browser caches and cookies. So our browser collects caches and cookie files and cache files automatically to load our important files. So the fifth problem that for which you might face this issue is overload servers. So and the sixth one is third-party add-ons or incompatible with YouTube. So your browser or that specific video might be incompatible with YouTube, or there might be some third-party add-ons. So there are some ways you can fix these issues. So the first one is head over so if we just see the first problem, that was a poor internet connection. So this problem, to solve this one, let's head over to our internet connection, right click on it, open network and internet settings, and in here make sure you have a proper internet connection. If you do not have that, you can see it right in here. So make sure you have that and just try to play your YouTube video. So the second problem was outdated video player. So our YouTube or our media player, what we use might get outdated. So that's why our video or YouTube video might get that buffering or stuttering. The third one is videos might have high resolution. So if your PC doesn't have the high resolution option right here, but because of internet connection, your video might get buffer or stutter. So the video might be of high resolution, but we need to make it lower resolution so we can play it properly. So what you have to do is in the YouTube video, each and every YouTube video, if we play it like this, there will be a settings option right here. Head over there, and from there go to quality. And here you can select the quality of your YouTube video. So if it is set to high, make sure you make them lower, like 240p or 144p or like 360p. Then your video might not get buffer. So and the the fifth one is overloaded servers. Sometimes YouTube have overloaded with so much servers and so many inputs that our video might get stutter. So we have to wait for that problem to YouTube solve that, and then we can just get into our YouTube video again. And there was another one that is too much browser caches and cookies. We can clear our browser cache and cookies from the three dots icon on the top right. From here, go to More Tools and then go to, if you can't find the browsing data right here, here you can find the browsing data or delete browsing data. From here, you can select the time range to all time and tap on delete data. It will delete all your cache and cookies of your browser. And once it is done, you can always try to um, turn on play or play your YouTube video. Your video might not get stuttered then. And yeah, these are the ways with which you can just fix the stutter or buffer issues of your YouTube. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you hit the bell button so you don't miss any videos. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next video.